快接通然后我就开始啊。
你们要站后一点，要不然框不住啊。可以了，可以了，可以了。
OK，开始了。
开始了。
Hello, this is Joe from the Machinery Company Limited.
Welcome to our live show. This is Cameron. Welcome all my friends, all our friends, customers.
Today we will have an online interview for we are in the sample factory, our Zoltech Machinery Company Limited. This factory is near our Zoltech Machinery Company Limited. Now we have interview about more details about how our machine working in the factory. Okay. Now let's start. Okay.
Okay, let's start.
This is Joe. Okay. This is Joe. This is my partner, Cameron. Okay. Firstly, let me ask you a question. Okay. Please make a brief introduction about yourself, about how many years you working in this industry, and so on. About yourself. Okay.
Okay, sure. This is Cameron. I have been working in this field over 10 years. And our company, Zoltech, is professional in the mattress production solution. We have experience about 20 years. So we have the knowledge about the machines and also about the production of mattress. That's why we built up this small mattress factory in our machinery factory to get the knowledge about how to produce mattress, what customer cares in produce mattress. After we get this knowledge, we know how to improve. We know the direction to improve our machines to meet our customers' demand, meet our customers' requirements. Thanks.
By the way, how many production lines for mattress do you have? Do you also have other production line, for example, beddings, bed covers, clothes, or any others, etc.
Yes. About mattress production, actually we can say there are several production lines. For example, the mattress panel production line, and the production line for mattress borders, and the production line for inner springs, including the pocket spring, production line for pocket spring, the production line for bonnet spring. We have solution. We have solution for these production lines. Yes.
Do you also have production line for jackets or beddings, clothes production line? Do you also have?
Yes, sure. For creating jackets or bed covers or blankets, we have the corresponding creating production line, cutting production line for these industries. Sure. Yes.
On your YouTube, Zoltech Machinery, I have noticed that you also have some for production line for clothes. I know you have very advanced machine. I have noticed that carding machine, and then clothing machine, and then four size carding machine. So, can you introduce more about it?
The cutting machine is actually very mature technology. So many our customers they buy the creatine production line from us, but they also asking for the fiber, the chemical fiber production line. So the whiting production line is to make the chemical fiber. So a lot of our customers they buy the creatine production line together with the winding production line to produce the chemical fiber. So on our YouTube, we have a very detailed introduction, detailed information for the winding production line, and also we have sold many sets of chemical fiber production line, which is the winding production line. So this solution is quite mature. It's quite mature, and we have many samples projects in almost all over the world. So yes, so if you have the demand of the similar production, we have the professional solution for you. Yes.
Okay. Let's come to the point that we noticed that your main production, main business is for mattress, high quality mattress production line. So I have noticed that in this sample factory of Zontech machinery, you have two production lines.
Yes.
Okay, please introduce more details about this two production line. Okay.
Okay. Firstly, I would like to.
Can we go on and see then that we can show more clearly? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go on.
Okay. Now, right behind me, the production line is for creating mattress panel and also for mattress border. Firstly, I would like to point out that this mattress factory is right located in our machinery factory. So every day we get knowledge of how to produce mattress and what material we will be used in a mattress factory. For example, the up fabric, the foam that we use, and the non-woven fabric, the thread. Yes, for example, I can show you that. Now you can see it's the special foam roll. The special foam roll. It is unique. It is unique coated. It is not the common. It is wave coated. So if you have the same requirements, we can give you an introduction. We can give you detailed information, even for the materials, and where we store the material, where we store the sponge, where we store the fabric. So this is the whole plant production, the whole plant solution for you, not just about the machinery, but also all aspects of mattress production.
Okay. Please focus on. We noticed that there are two different production lines. Can you tell us the difference? Okay.
Okay. Now what you see is the commonly or the most welcomed production line. It includes of 3 machines. The high-speed creating machine, and the cutting machine, and the stacking machine. Okay. I would like to introduce you the high-speed change pitch multimeter creating machine. The speed is up to 1,400 RPM. It is one of the most the fastest machine in the world. And what's different in this machine is that this machine is controlled by 3 servo motors. The X direction, the Y direction, and the Z direction. Z direction is the needle movement. The needle movement is also controlled by the large power servo motor. So we can get more increased creating effects. We can get more precise creating effects due to the 3 servo motor mechanism. And what's more, the space, the space for adjusting the looper and needle is enlarged because this model is an international model. It is sold to almost everywhere in the world. So in some, for example, in some area in North America, in Europe, the operator they have bigger size, so they require a larger space to maintain or to threading to adjust the loopers. So we modified this model to make this model an international model. So this model is welcomed in most areas in the world. Okay.
Okay. And here, you just introduced about the typical advantage of our this quilting machine.
Yes.
Okay. And here, I have noticed that this panel cutting machine is different from that farming machine, right?
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay.
can you introduce more details about the difference? Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is the cutting machine that connected to the quilting machine. Its function is to cut the quilted fabric into the size that you require. So the size is set on the monitor. So it also can do the rolling job. So you don't need to buy an independent rolling device. We can make a fabric roll on the cutting machine, and we can also make mattress borders. We can also make mattress borders and make mattress panels. So this is a very mature technology and most very welcome in the world market. Okay.
Okay. So this machine, you told me that we have the function to make the panels.
Yes.
So I think this machine should also make the sliders, right?
Yes. Borders.
Make borders, you know. We noticed that here, I think that when somebody operates the machine, he should be very careful. If not, then it will make some danger, right? Right?
Yes.
So here we must emphasize to the customer, when the machine is in running, make sure that do not put your hand to be here. It's very dangerous, right?
Yes, it's true.
Okay. So this deck machine earlier is not so many on the market,
Yeah.
right? Now this is more popular in China, right?
Okay. And this is the last machine in the production line. This is the we call it the stacker. It's a stack machine for mattress panels. And this machine is now in many areas, in many regions of the world. We cannot see this machine because this is a new. It is a new model. But this machine is so useful. Helps a lot to decrease the labor force, to increase the efficiency. Yes, it helps a lot. It helps a lot at a reasonable price, a lower price. Actually, it costs only few budgets, only few budgets. Yes. So if you can't find this machine in your country, that means it is an opportunity. It is an opportunity for you to improve your company image, to show your customers your brand image. Yeah, so
Okay.
yes.
So this cutting machine and then the hand cutting machine and stack machine form one of the production line. So I think one person to operate this production line is okay, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So earlier, if that three machines are separately, then it, it, it make you to employee at least 2% to operate the machine. So it's labor saving.
Yes, yes. All the production line actually one operator is enough, except the fabric loading, the material loading. Maybe you need two operators, but after loading, during the running process, it requires only one operator.
Okay.
Only one, yes.
Now let's come to the next production line. Okay?
Okay.
Next production line.
Welcome to all our friends. This is Zolitech introducing you the mattress production. The mattress production solution.
Okay. Just now we have introduced the first production line. Then let's come to the next production line. So let's make some comparison between the two machines. This machine, you can see that this color is green, okay?
Yes.
This is green. So it's special ordered by the customer.
Yeah.
I have noticed that this machine here is a little different from that one. Okay, please
Yeah.
introduce.
Yeah. As we can see, this is the slitting system. Slitting system, which is integrated in the backside of the multi-needle quilting machine. This slitting system has more can
这个是你
split
跟色
the
放在
match
一起的
border
时候可以
more
前移后
precisely.，
这样子就可以框得住，就
So
不要 背着
it's
镜头。
the position of slitting is fixed. Is fixed to the fabric. So it has a more stable performance, more precise cutting. It will not like cutting run. So this is a more precise system, more precise.
So I noticed that here the blades, the cutters, the weight can be adjusted, right?
Yes, it's adjustable.
And I have noticed that the needle space here should be only half inch, not like common 1 inch.
Yes, yes. The distance between two lines, between two needles, the smallest distance is half inch, only half inch. Yes.
So this machine, that is to say, it has two functions. It can make mattress panels.
Yes.
Make it first function.
Yes.
Another function is to make the mattress border.
Yes.
So that is to say, one customer, one machine has two functions. We can change one function very easily, right?
Yes, yes. And also, according to the two function of the machine, we create some unique patterns to make mattress borders, which is especially used on this versatile multi-needle quilting machine. Yes, we have installed, created some unique patterns.
And what's the working speed on this machine?
Same 1,400 RPM.
100,000. I mean normal working speed. Okay. For example, I work 3 shifts, okay, 4 hours every day. So, what's the best working speed in record?
For long time running, you mean? For long time running, we recommend 1,300 RPM. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, let's come to next machine.
Okay.
This one, we notice that your core is Hermie machine, okay?
Yes, this is a hemming machine.
So why you call it Hermie machine? What's the special function for this machine?
The hemming machine is actually originated from Europe, but machinery in Europe is quite expensive. So recently we developed this machine to meet the demand of Chinese market, and we lowered down the cost of the hemming machine. Hemming means overlock the edge. Means overlock the edge. As we know, after cutting the max panel, the next step is to overlock the edge on a flanging machine, on a special flanging machine. But the hemming machine can do the cutting job and also can do the overlock sewing job. So we can save. So we can save the flanging process. We no need to buy flanging machine, and we no need we no need operator for flanging work. Yes.
Right now that we have noticed that factory master here at the moment does not use this function.
Yes.
I think we want to make the rollers, so we do not make the Hermie function. Right?
Yes.
So that is to say, the Hermie function you can use or not use. If you do not want to use, you can raw the material. You can put aside. Maybe next time you can cut the panels according to your need. Right?
Yes. It's true.
Okay.
It's true.
So next Hermie machine, I think I have read some materials that the Hermie, as a matter of fact, a little different from overlock. A little different.
Yes.
You know, if by flanging machine, sometimes the cooking machine maybe looks much better. But this Hermie machine is just sewing, right?
Yes.
So I think there's some difference.
But
Right?
it will not affect the production. It's same effect. No problem. Yeah.
So for the customers, I think that they should know about difference. Then when they choose the machine, they know.
And there's one thing, yes, I agree on you and with you. There's one thing that I would like to point out is that the hemming process is more efficient than the flanging, than the traditional flanging. And the flanging job usually has a higher requirements for the operator. Otherwise, the overlock sewing is not straight, will be curved. Will lower down the image of your product. But on the hemming machine, it is computerized, so the sewing line is 100% straight. That's the important aspect that I want to point out. Yes, it not only improve the efficiency, but also improve the quality of sewing. Yes.
So I think this machine is more useful for this large production manufacturing, not production.
As you said, this machine can be also used as a common countertop machine. So you can stop the overlock function. Also, you can turn on the function. So it is versatile. So it meets the demands of actually all of the production scale, mattress factory. No matter you're a small factory, you're a medium factory, you're a large mattress factory, it is an ideal equipment for you. And the ideal production line for you. Because it is versatile. Yes.
Okay. Now, we have just introduced two production lines.
Yes.
This is for which one is panel 30 production.
Yes. Yes, panel production line.
So you told me that your company also has some art production. You
Yes, Joe. Before we go to next production line, I would like to give more information about this about our sample factory.
用那个袋子。
I would like to show our friends, to show our customers about the whole aspects of this factory. So, why we do this? We need to show our customers, our friends, that this is the solution. That the only thing you need to do is to copy. So we have the knowledge for you. How to produce the borders, how to produce the panels, how to make a factory plan, how to make how to put this production line, where to put the materials, where to make the. This is a 100% complete production line, production solution. So what you need to do is to copy. Okay, so now can we show the other aspects of the mattress factory? I think it is important. Yes. Okay.
Okay,
那
let's
我们
go.
可以看一下。As you can see, this is the pile of mattress panel. So if you don't have a stacker machine, you have to put two workers stack the mattress panel piece by piece. Okay, so this is the reason why I recommend you to use the stacker machine. Yes. And here we put the shelf, the shape about the mattress borders. Yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Here, this one with some decoration.
Yes. These mattress borders are made by a special border production line, which I will introduce you next. Yes. So if you have requirements, if you have demand on this mattress border, no problem. We can put some border. We can put some mattress border in the container along with the machine. So you can test your selling. You can test your selling before you buy the production line. Yes. For example, when we load the machinery, when we load the production line in the container, there are some space left. So we can load some materials. We can load some newest material, mattress fabric sample, and mattress borders. So you can test. You can test the selling before you make further investment. Yes. And also we can introduce you the good quality mattress fabric, because we are using it. And the good supplier of non-woven fabric, and the thread, which is most suitable for our cutting machine. Yes. And this, I would like to show you. This is the sewing department. The sewing department of this factory. In this department, we have a step sewing machine. We have a mattress border making machine, and even flanging machine in here. So this is the complete mattress production solution. We can copy this solution to your factory. So it is easy. it is easy for you to open your factory to run your factory. You should focus on your branding. You focus on how to do the market, how to sell good, to improve your brand image. We make you focus on what you should focus, and we will do what you ask us to do to manage your production, to supply you the most suitable solution for you.
看，
啊，嗯。
Okay. Now, thanks for Mr. Camera. I've just introduced my details about the two production line and the mattress production line, and including all the other machines.
Yes.
So today we have a very good interview, and we thanks for Mr. Camera again. Okay.
Yeah.
And
We
now-
continue on Sunday, on Saturday, okay?
Okay, next today we should have say goodbye to our customers, and next time on Thursday we go on. Okay.
Okay, before we say goodbye, I should point out that if you have any demand, interest, or if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to contact us. Search Zollitech Machinery. On Google, you can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, our website, on YouTube. We have a lot of videos, a lot of very detailed videos on YouTube. So come and get us, okay? See you on Saturday. See
Okay.
you.
See you on Saturday, and if you want more details, contact us, and you can find out information by YouTube. Zollitech Machinery. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
see
you
you.
for watching. Okay. Thank you.